Everyone, this is Cooking with Matthew. We're doing some Brunswick stew today. I've already got some of my stuff going. I've got I got some bacon over here. It's about 4 or 5 pieces of bacon. I put in here to just get some grease going, really. I've got some celery, onions, garlic, and a little chorizo sausage that I'm going to saute in here in this bacon grease. Make sure the camera's on. Okay, yes, recording. I'm just making sure because I've had troubles with this before.
This is the new camera for $200. Wow.
So right now I've got the 2 cups of celery, 2 cups of onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 sausage links, which is chorizo sausage. You can use Kaneka or whatever you decide you want to use in it. This is the first step of getting this started. I've got some vegetable broth up here. Sometimes I like to use ham base or ham stock. You got a little ham bone, you can throw some water in there and get this stuff going. But I'm gonna saute these vegetables for a few minutes just to get them. I'm gonna add some salt. Let's see where I put my salt at.
Some in that closet up there.
Yeah, here we go. I got some sea salt right here.
Oh, sea salt.
I'm gonna add. I'm gonna start with 1 tablespoon. Oh, and I've got a habanero in here. I'm not gonna put no black pepper in here today. I had a habanero left from the other day, and I decided I want to use it. So that's 1 habanero.
Hot pepper.
1 tablespoon sea salt. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my vegetable broth.
You had it all made up. That's good.
Yeah, I'm probably going to put some more vegetable broth. It looks like it might need a little more, so I'm going to make up a little more vegetable broth with this base I have here.
Oh.
I'm going to add probably 2 more cups. I got some cornbread in the oven too. We're gonna have some cornbread. Hold on, Richard. I got the camera going.
Oh yeah, watch it.
So I'm gonna add. That's gonna be 6 cups. Got 6 cups of broth. I'm gonna bring this over here. I also have some potatoes I cut up. I did. 2 cups of potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and drain the liquid off of them and add them to the pot. Go ahead and add these potatoes, let them get cooking. So we're back. I took a little small break and I let that stuff come to a boil, and it's been cooking about 10 minutes or so. I've got some, my cornbreads came out already. I got it right here. It stuck a little bit, and I got my soup cooking over here, my Brunswick stew. Come back to here. Alright, so now we're just going to add some canned stuff. I normally don't like using canned stuff, but this is a pretty good set. Oh, I got my pork. I'm going to add my pork. I got 4 cups of pulled pork here, this smoked pork. chopped it up earlier.
Oh, poor.
I'm gonna add that to it. Then I've got, so I've already put that on the list. Where is my pen I had? Here it is, the marker. So now I've got 28-ounce crushed tomato. And 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. This is a southern stew right here. It was made for, they used stuff that was in the gardens and stuff locally. So this little stew was invented in the South, and usually they use chicken. They said that originally they used squirrel and rabbit and even possum in this stew. So this is a deep South stew right here. So that's 28-ounce diced tomatoes. So then I've got some butter beans here. I'm going to add a can of them. They usually use lima beans, but I know that me growing up, I didn't really eat lima beans. I ate butter beans growing up, so that's what we're using today. So it was locally.
We used to, down north, they eat.
Now I've got 2 cans of corn.
The pot's getting too full.
Oh, that's all it's going to fit. I was going to put some okra in it. It's looking like it's not going to fit.
I got another pot down there like that one.
Do you?
It's bigger.
It's a little bigger.
Yeah, somewhere over here. Bigger. I don't know what happened to this. See the ice cream maker? You ever do this?
I ain't never made it. It's been a long time since I did any ice cream. So I'm going to add that to my ingredient list. That was
Your list.
2 cans corn, 2 can butter beans.
What is this?
Yeah, this thing came pretty much the rim here.
I got another butter.
All these vegetables are cooked. I just put in there, so I'm just really trying the meat. So I'm just really trying to get it to get to temp, and we'll be feasting on it here in a minute.
You stealing my shit?
We're filming right now.
Huh?
We're filming. Alright, so I got it tasting good. What are you looking for, that bigger pot?
This is for the ice cream maker. That's mine. She's trying to steal my stuff. I'm gonna call the cops on her pretty soon.
I got this thing on high heat.
You ever see this ice? Want this here?
Hold on, Richard. I'm trying to finish up this video real quick.
I bought this. I never used it.
Alright, so I'm going to go over my ingredient list real quick. It's 2 cups of celery, 2 cups of onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 sausage links, 4 cups of pulled pork, 2 cups of diced potatoes, 8 cups of vegetable broth, or you can use ham broth or chicken broth. Anything you want to use as far as the liquid goes. 1 habanero for the heat. 1 tablespoon of sea salt. 2 cups of potatoes, which I've already put that on there. No. 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. 1 can of corn. 2 cans of butter beans. And I've got some cornbread over here. Let's see, this is about ready. taste, make sure there's no salt or anything. We good here. So I'm fixing to pour it up. If you got a ladle or something, yeah, I see a ladle.
You want another pot? Stuffed up my shit.
Richard, please.
I don't know where it went to.
So we got Brunswick stew right here. There's the Brunswick stew. Thank you guys for watching. I pray y'all have a blessed day.